Hi, Angie.
Hey, Angie.
Hello. Alright, come back. Ah, was that fun, young man?
Was that fun, Angie?
I think it was.